Today we're going to talk about something super important: internet safety and passwords. The internet is a great place to learn and explore, but it's important to use it safely. One of the best ways to do that is by keeping your personal information private. First, let's talk about protecting your personal information online. It's important to keep certain details about yourself private. It's very important to be careful about what you post online. Once something is shared, it can spread quickly and be hard to take back. So, what kind of information should you never share online? Never share your full name, your address, your phone number, or your school online. These are all private details. Remember, what you share online doesn't just stay with you. It can be seen by many people, and once it's out there, you can't always control where it goes. Next, let's talk about why passwords are so important. Passwords are what keep your accounts and information safe from others. Passwords keep your online account safe and private. If your password is weak, it's easy for someone else to guess and get into your account. So, how do you make a strong password? Aim for at least 12 characters. The longer your password is, the harder it is to guess. Second, mix it up. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and even symbols like exclamation points or hashtags. Third, avoid using easy information like your name, your birthday, or simple patterns like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or password. Those are too easy to guess. Let's look at an example to see the difference between a weak and a strong password. Here's a weak password: dog123. It's too short and too simple. A strong password might look like this: R3D39 book. See how it uses uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and a symbol? That makes it much harder to guess. You might be wondering, how am I supposed to remember a strong password? Don't worry, there are a few simple ways to make it easier. If you need to write your passwords down, do it in a safe place where only you know where to find them. Never leave them out in the open or share them with friends. Also, try not to reuse the same password for all your different online accounts. If one account gets hacked, all your other accounts could be at risk too. If you ever need help with your passwords or anything online, always ask a parent or another trusted adult. They are there to help you stay safe. Keeping your personal information safe starts with using strong passwords. Protect yourself online by thinking before you share and choosing passwords that are hard to guess. Your privacy matters. Keep it safe online.